Welcome to the best picks. The best 3DS XL battery is probably one of the most overlooked components of your handheld gaming experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Nintendo 3DS XL batteries, exploring everything from battery life and replacement options to tips and tricks for maximizing your playtime. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the 3DS XL, understanding your battery is key to enjoying your favorite games on the go. Number 5. OSTENT 1750 mAh battery for Nintendo new 3DS XL. Need a backup power source for your Nintendo new 3DS XL? This battery pack is the perfect solution. It ensures you can keep playing without interruption. With this replacement battery, you'll have the power to extend your gaming sessions. It's designed to keep you entertained for hours. This battery is made with high-quality components, guaranteeing reliable performance. You can depend on it to deliver the power you need. This battery offers a long life and can be recharged many times. It's a dependable power source for your console. The battery operates at 3.7 V and provides 1750 mAh of power. It's designed to meet the power requirements of your new 3DS XL. What we like. This battery is a reliable replacement power source. It's made with high-quality components, ensuring high performance. If you are looking for a dependable backup or replacement battery for your new 3DS XL, this is a great choice. What people say. It fit fine, works fine, came in minimal easy-to-open packaging. After I installed this battery, everything has so far been working fine. It definitely holds a charge, and I forgot how long the 3DS could be held in sleep mode, without Wi-Fi on. Works very well with my new 3DS XL. It restored life to an otherwise dead device. Number 4. Tomee battery pack for new 3DS XL. 3DS XL. Introducing the Tomee rechargeable battery pack, designed specifically for your new 3DS XL or 3DS XL. This handy accessory ensures you can enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about running out of power. This battery pack is perfectly compatible with both the new 3DS XL and the original 3DS XL models. It's a simple and effective solution to keep your console powered up and ready to go. Inside, it features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This means you can easily recharge it and reuse it, saving you money and reducing waste. The battery boasts a 2500 mAh capacity, providing a significant boost to your gaming time. It allows the device to last longer, so you can play your favorite games for extended periods. It operates at 3.7 V, ensuring it provides the correct power to your console. This ensures the device functions correctly and safely. What we like. This battery offers a high capacity, ensuring longer playtime. It's also compatible with both new 3DS XL and 3DS XL models. If you want extended gaming sessions without frequent charging, you should consider it. What people say. Day 1, after installing the batteries into our systems, mine and my husband's, both batteries showed a 3-4 battery percentage bar, but it was still enough to update our systems and its apps. Wow, easy to change, worked perfect. In about 2 minutes my kid was up and playing on his game again. Nicely done. I've had it a couple months now and it's keeping a perfect charge, even a bit longer than the old OEM did when it was new. Came with a screwdriver. Easy to replace. And it has good battery life. I haven't actually measured how long it lasts, but I know it can last overnight on sleep mode and some good hours when actually playing. Number 3. OSTENT 3DS XL 2500 mAh rechargeable battery plus toolkit. Introducing a brand new, high-quality replacement battery. It's a 3.7 V, 2500 mAh powerhouse designed to keep your gaming going. Keep this as a spare, or use it to replace your old battery. This ensures you're always ready for action, no matter where you are. This battery is made with top-notch components, so you can count on it for high performance. It's built to last and deliver consistent power. This battery offers a long life and can be recharged hundreds of times. It's a smart investment for any 3DS XL owner. Is your current battery damaged or not holding a charge? This is the ideal solution. It's the perfect way to get back to enjoying your games. What we like. This battery boasts a high capacity, providing extended gaming time. It also comes with a toolkit for easy installation. If you need a battery with a high capacity and appreciate having the necessary tools for replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery life is great. It fits perfectly and works great. It was easy to install. Number 2. SPR003 Replacement Battery for Nintendo 3DS XL. This is a replacement battery, compatible with Nintendo 3DS XL and new 3DS XL consoles. It's a new, upgraded battery with 1750 mAh capacity. It's designed to get your device working like new again. Make sure this battery fits your device. It's specifically designed for the Nintendo 3DS XL models. Double-check your model before you buy to ensure it's the right fit. When replacing the battery, carefully disconnect the old one and connect the new one. If the device doesn't power on, check the connection. Make sure the cable is properly connected to the mainboard. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We're here to help and will respond within 24 hours. We appreciate your patience and are committed to your satisfaction. Each battery is tested before shipping. Please note that installation instructions are not included. Professional installation is recommended, and we are not responsible for damage due to improper installation. What we like. This battery is designed for easy replacement. All batteries have been tested before shipping. If you are looking for a replacement battery and want to make sure it's been tested, consider this one. What people say. It charges fast and holds charge long enough to get through a few gaming sessions before needing to be recharged. The new battery fit well, but the device did not turn on after charging for a significant time. This battery has performed like the original battery. Number 1. Mars Devices Replacement Battery for New Nintendo 3DS XL. Is your new Nintendo 3DS XL's battery not holding a charge like it used to? Don't let a dead battery ruin your gaming experience. This replacement is the perfect solution. This high-quality replacement battery is specifically designed for the new Nintendo 3DS XL and 3DS XL models SPR003. It's a reliable power source to keep you gaming. Installing this battery is straightforward. You can easily replace the old one and get back to playing your favorite games. It's a simple process. Enjoy extended playtime with this new battery. It provides a consistent and reliable power supply, so you can game for hours on end. You will love it. Don't let a weak battery limit your fun. Get the Mars Devices replacement battery for your new Nintendo 3DS XL today and enjoy uninterrupted gaming. It's the perfect upgrade. What we like. This battery is compatible with multiple models. It is a reliable choice. If you have a new Nintendo 3DS XL or 3DS XL and need a reliable battery, this is a good option. What people say. Took less than a minute to put in the replacement and after a couple hours charge, my 3DS is behaving like it brand new. Super easy to install. I like that it came with a small screwdriver necessary to install into 3DS. It's worked for months now with no issues. Like it says, it is a working replacement battery for the new 3DS XL. Works very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.